CoolFit 4.0 is the revolutionary piping system for commercial and industrial refrigeration from GF Piping Systems. In these instructions, we guide you step by step through the installation. CoolFit 4.0 pipes, fittings and valves can be connected easily and within a few minutes by electrofusion. Before the installation, make sure that you have all the necessary equipment, tools and resources close at hand. Observe the information in the assembly instructions. Remove the products from the package immediately before assembly without touching the welding surfaces. The ends of the pipes are already stripped and peeled on delivery. Clean the welding surfaces of the CoolFit 4.0 fittings and CoolFit 4.0 pipes. For this purpose, use Tangit PE cleaner and a clean, lint-free plain cloth. Wait until the cleaner has evaporated. Mark the lip length of 25 mm at both ends of the pipes that you want to connect. The marking will help to control the position of the pipe and fitting during welding and cooling. Now insert the assembly aid into the fitting and stretch the sealing lip with it by pressing both handles together until they lock into place. Push both pipe ends into the fitting up to the stop. After that, remove the assembly aid again by pushing the handles against each other, thereby opening them. Check the insertion depth of the pipe and fitting by means of the marking. Care should be taken to ensure a low-stress installation by securing the connection against slipping or moving. Connect the welding cables to the weld contacts of the fitting and weld according to the instruction manual of the electrofusion machine. Please note that you will need the long welding adapter for dimensions above 110 mm. After welding, check the notification on the welding unit. After that, remove the cables and check both fusion indicators on the fitting. Affix the welding information to the fitting for subsequent inspections. Make sure there is no tension and that the position of the fitting does not change before the cooling time has elapsed. Now attach the insulation of the weld contacts. After that, remove the clamp. Wait for the minimum waiting period until the pressure test and then carry it out. GF Piping Systems supports you in all phases of your project. Talk with our experts at any time if needed. Further information can be found at gfps.com/coolfit.